totally cinematic developments around this wedding that took place in Tamil Nadu of Kalakuruchi MLA, which falls in fact in the Viluppuram district of Tamil Nadu. This happened on Monday. This 36-year-old young MLA in fact was in love with a college student. What we are told is that for the last 4 to 6 months he says they have been in love, and he had sought the permission of the girl's parents to get married to her, but they had denied the permission, and subsequently the girl had come away on the 1st of October and married this man. But in between, the father in fact on Sunday evening went to the police station and complained that his daughter had been abducted and that she was being pressured into marrying this MLA. He even went to court with a habeas corpus petition asking for the girl to be produced, but subsequently the girl appeared in a video along with her groom, saying that the groom pointing out that he had not abducted this young girl called Soundarya, and he had in fact married her because the girl's parents had opposed the marriage, but he had taken the permission of his own parents, and the marriage has taken place at his residence in Kalakuruchi itself.
வணக்கம், நான் கள்ளக்குறிச்சி எம்எல்ஏ பிரபு. இன்றைக்கி எனக்கும் சௌந்தர்யாவுக்கும் திருமணம் நடைபெற்றது. இதில் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஒரு சில வதந்திகள் வந்துட்டுருக்கு. என்னென்னா, நான் வந்து சௌந்தர்யாவை கடத்திட்டதாகவும் கொலை மிரட்டல் விட்டதாகவும் இங்கே கடத்திட்டு வந்து வற்புறுத்தி கல்யாணம் பண்ணதாகவும் இந்த ரூமர்ஸ் வந்துக்கிட்டு இருக்குது. அப்படிலாம் ஒரு சம்பவம் நடக்கலை. நாங்கள் 2 பேரும் பாஸ்ட் 4 மந்த்ஸாக லவ் பண்ணிகிட்டு இருந்தோம். அவள் எனக்கு வந்து நாங்கள் 2 பேரும் லவ் பண்ணிகிட்டு இருந்ததால் அவங்க வீட்டில் போய் பொண்ணு கேட்டோம். அவங்க தர மறுத்தாங்க. அதுக்கப்புறம் வந்து நாங்கள் 2 பேருமே எங்கள் அப்பா அம்மாவோடைய சம்மதத்தோடு இன்றைக்கி கல்யாணம் பண்ணிகிட்டு இருக்கோம். இவங்க குடும்பத்துக்கோ அல்லது வந்து சௌந்தர்யாவுக்கோ நான் கொலை மிரட்டலோ அல்லது வந்து சௌந்தர்யா கிட்ட ஆசாபாசமாக பேசி சௌந்தர்யாவை கல்யாணம் பண்ணிக்கல. நாங்கள் 2 பேரும் லவ் பண்ணி தான் கல்யாணம் பண்ணிக்கிட்டு இருக்கோம்.
There was drama even on the day of the marriage, even as all the relatives of the groom were around. In fact, the girl's father, Swaminathan, who happens to be a priest at a temple in the same village, in fact came there and threatened to immolate himself if they went ahead with the marriage. But the ruling party MLA, his AIADMK supporters as well as the police stopped him, and subsequently he was taken to the police station and a case of attempt to suicide was booked against him. Two aspects are here, because the girl's father has said that it is not because the groom is a Dalit, so-called Dalit, a scheduled caste person, and the girl happens to be from a Brahmin family. That's not the reason why he is opposing this. And he said that he thought his daughter was not ready for marriage, that she was only 19 years old, and then he believes that she was in a sense brainwashed, and believes that the age difference between the groom, who is 36, and the girl who is 19 is too much. The girl happens to be in 2nd year of college pursuing an arts course. The MLA has however pointed out that it's a legally permissible age at which the girl has got married, and she has also put out a video saying that it is not under any duress or any kind of pressure that she has married him, and she has married him only because she fell in love. I spoke a short while ago to the newlywed, and the groom in fact expressing hope that the father-in-law will come round, because he says he is someone who has known him for a long time. He does not believe caste was really an issue between the two families, and he does not think age was a factor either, but he does believe that there was some politics doing the round, somebody who was trying to undercut him, who may have in a sense poisoned his father-in-law, and he says he has had in fact very close relations with the family, with the father of the bride as well, and he does believe that they will come around. So in a state where caste has been a point of tension, intercaste marriages have had violent outcomes in the past, this so far at least appears to be a happy love story, with the bride and the groom coming together, supported at least by one side of the family, and the groom hopeful that it will the marriage will be okay with his bride's family as well in time to come. This of course comes just a short while before elections in Tamil Nadu, where of course caste does play a huge role, and Kalakuruchi also happens to be a reserved constituency from where Prabhu, who is the MLA, had in fact contested in the 2016 elections.